In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Samsung Health to Strava. First things first, let's head over to the Samsung Health option. You can simply type health on your search bar and this application will show up. Now inside this page it's as simple as clicking on the three dots on the main home screen. In here you want to click on setting. Inside this page, scroll down once again until you came across the connected applications and services. In here, it will not be located at the applications, but instead, you can just click on the services option. In here, click on Strava, and then you will be prompted to simply log in your account. Now, I'm just having some quick technical difficulties, but after logging in your account, you will be able to connect your Samsung Health to Strava. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.